The next thing to keep in mind after you have your supplies together is a very common mistake. A lot of folks get excited to do a comic strip. You know, it's something new, it's neat, they've been drawing for a while, they're ready to take it to the next step, but they haven't really thought it through. And by thinking it through, I mean coming up with characters, nice, consistent characters that you're going to have, which will populate your strip. Cartoon artists don't just put down their pen one day and invent great characters. It takes a lot of practice and effort to be able to find like the exact right look that you're looking for in your comic characters. So before you ever actually put anything on an official comic strip, you should make sure that you're giving a lot of developmental time to the characters that you're planning. These characters should be very lifelike. They're going to have their likes, their dislikes. They're going to have a definite physical look that you're going to want to consistently portray on your page. So make sure not to rush it, and that you're not drawing characters for the first time when you put them in your comic strip. These should be characters that you have developed over the long haul.